Hello, I thought I'd give you a quick screencast on editing photographs using an online site called pixlr.com. I'm using the advanced editor. I don't see any problem with you using that route. If there is, do come back to me. Click on that button, and then we need to open the photographs from a file that you've saved the files down to, a folder that you've saved the files down to somewhere on your computer. So clicking open an image from computer will allow you to open a file. This is the finished file. Open the original file that we want to crop. You can see the one in the background is the one I've already saved down just to test this. But we need to use the crop tool, and then into the constrain, click on the arrow button and go down to output size. And the width we know is 634 by 266. So as I say, using the crop tool, you drag over the area that you want to crop the image down to. Although these lines on a white background are not very clear, I think you can see it sufficiently to get the best image aspect. I think there, including the kind of computer, is the best sort of slot. And double clicking gives you the end file, which I think looks good. And then it's a question of saving this file down to a location that you can upload back to Business Catalyst. So sorry, it's not in that file menu, it's under save. And we need to put .jpg on the end of it. We'll put that as training 634 by 266. This is a watermarked image at the moment, so quality is not particularly there to be questioned, but this can scale the quality down, and we're looking at the kind of file size. An image like this can range from 29k to maybe 100k is acceptable for an image, or high quality images, which is going to be when we're finished. It's okay, and then save that back down to the folder it originally worked in. And then I also set up a Magento logo. The image size is 182 by 182, so I think this width is already bigger than that. So we need to go into image size and save that down to 182. You can see the height is nearly 80 pixels or 79 pixels shorter, but once we get the width, we can expand the canvas, and it depends whether you want to expand from the left to the right, from the bottom, or in our case from the middle, and expand outwards and upwards. The canvas or background size, so you can see that that's not distorted, but this gives you 180 pixels by 180 pixels wide. Now we could crop this down and get rid of some of the white background if this is floating on the page a little bit more, but you can see that's not distorted the image. We've got an image that's the right size. Okay, I thought I'd continue demonstrating bringing photographs and formatting text on through Incontext editing. Click on content. the logo take us to new site, click on services, and in this case I'm going to update the management consultant page. Okay. There are a number of carriage returns that are in on the page that need taking out. Making sure that you click in the right place. And then I think these paragraphs need a breaking up by a soft return, as the telephone number is down at the bottom of the page. Let's take that out, and similarly here, and we've got some bullet points to add. Gives a bit more style to the page. Hit save and publish. That gives it a little bit more air on the page. Of course, next week is still to be added, but let's just update these photographs. Click on the picture logo. Click on my site, and change. Click on images. As mentioned before, I've set up a folder just for these temporary images. So under iStock Photo, watermark samples, got the management consultancy picture that I've already cropped before. Now strangely, when I look at this odd reasons, I should have replaced it, it's not done. So if you just type in 634, we'll bring in the photograph. It seems to be not bringing in the actual size of it. So there's the unsquashed picture. I've also done the same for Bright Pearl. Click on iStock Images and brought in Bright Pearl logo 182, and similarly I've done the same for Magento Images, iStock Photo, Magento logo 182. I've brought it in correctly. So where's the new page? If you've got any queries, please come back to me.